Hey everyone, it's Benjamin here. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through a new feature Canva just introduced. And look, this feature is going to improve the way you edit videos inside of Canva. So I made a simple experimentation with this feature, and just look at what I was able to do with this feature. Alright, so before we get into it, I just want you to know that the name of this feature is called the element timing, and this is actually going to be a game changer, because now you can be able to edit your full reels. Those who like to do this kind of videos on reels on TikTok, now you can be able to edit a full video like that inside of Canva. So let me walk you through how you can be able to use this new feature inside of Canva. So let's get into it. Okay, so you need to have your Canva opened, okay, and you can choose any dimension of your choice. I'm going to go with the traditional video dimension, which is 1920 by 1080. Okay, so I have it over here, and I'll just come into videos like you can see and just choose any sample video of my choice. But the thing is, you can just even record yourself any video at all you want to use. You can record and upload it in Canva and just work on that. So that's also another option for you. Okay, so what I can just do is I'll right click and set the image to background, and you can see what we have at the moment. So if I'm to click on this video, it's just a normal video that's just going to play, and that's just about it. So in order to make the whole editing interesting, what I'll do is I'll come into audio, okay, and in audio I can choose any audio of my choice. Okay, and I believe this is a cool audio to use, so I'll just click and drag it over here. I don't know if it's possible you'd hear it from the recording, because I just don't know. Okay, but let's see how everything's going to be. Okay, so I'll drag this audio and move it to the top over here, and I will just make it cover the whole frame. And my style of editing is be able to match text or any clips to beats, you understand? So that's what I'm going to do in this particular demonstration. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll first of all press Steal my keyboard to add a text, and I'll just say maybe vlog. Okay, so VLOG01. Let's say this was a cool vlog I was actually going to make, and I'll just increase the size to something like this. Okay, I'll change the typeface to Poppins Extra Bold, which is looking very beautiful. Okay, so now let's say we wanted to be able to position our text on a particular section of our video. How is that going to be done inside of Canva now? So let me just show you. So all you need to do is right click on your text, and you should see this option called show timing. So once you click on it, you would see that the text gets to be separated from the main video. Okay, and at this point you can be able to click and drag your text to any section you want it to appear. Okay, so let's say I wanted it to appear on a certain section of my video where the beat is high, you understand, because the beat, it has some high stamps and things like that. So I want it to appear when one of the major beats is hitting. So let's see how that can be done. So I'll first of all play. Okay, so this point, one of the major beats just hits. Okay, and let me just click here so that I can zoom in. Okay, so that we can be able to see things well. So let me play it again. Okay, and we are just going to okay, so the major beat is somewhere here. Okay, so the major beat is somewhere here. So I'll select and drag my text over there. Okay, so if I'm to play it again, this is how it's going to sound. I like it. I really enjoy this, because now it will make it interesting to be able to edit cool videos inside of Canva. So this even should give you an idea of some videos you can be able to make in Canva now. Okay, so let's play it again and let's see how it's going to look. Okay, so let me just play it again. Okay, all right, I think I like it. So Now let's now look at how we can be able to add multiple text. So I'll add maybe a second text, and we'll see how we can be able to also work with that in Canva. Okay, so let's take a look at it. So I'll press, maybe I can just even duplicate this, okay, and maybe it's the ending of the video, so I'll just say the end. Okay, and I would just also position this also over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll right click on it and show timing again, and you can see how it's looking. So I can maybe position this to the end of my clip. Okay, so I can position this to the end, and this is how it's going to look. So you can see over here that the first text is overlapping into the second one, and we don't want that to happen. So how we can do that is we can select all of it, right click and show timing. Okay, so when you do that, you would see that is because we selected all together, it's been grouped, but we can separate them by clicking on this icon over here. So once you click on it, you can see the separate text over here. So now I can click on the first one and just adjust it. Okay, and the second one I can also adjust it. So if I'm to play it along, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, okay, so I think I want the major beats so that the ending just comes in. So okay, so I think the major beats falls over here, somewhere here. Okay, so I think I just have to take my time. Okay, so that's a major beat over here. So if I'm to play it through for the last time, let's see. I love it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Okay, so you can see how interesting this whole feature gets to be. But the thing is, if you're not seeing this feature on your Canva right now, just know that it's currently being rolled out. So just be checking from time to time, and then once you find it, you can just start using it. So just be patient, even if you're not seeing this feature on your Canva at the moment. This is what I wanted to actually demonstrate to you in this particular video, and I hope you found it helpful, and I just hope I've been able to spark some ideas in your head right now. So don't forget, if you're looking for more Canva tutorials, smash the like button to support this video. Check my channel for more Canva tutorials. The subscribe button is also yours to smash. The name is Benjamin. Don't forget, there is no limit to creativity. I should see you in my next video.